If you'd like to see this problem with an equation or writing an expression, I can show you how to do that. If not, you can just watch the other video that says another 5D example. Okay, so I'm still going to read the problem. The base of the rectangle is 13 centimeters longer than the height. The perimeter is 58 centimeters. Find the base and the height. Alright, so if I knew what the height was, I could figure out the base, because it tells me that the base is 13 more than the height. So my height is going to be my guess, and then my base is going to be 13 more than that. So let's just say my height plus 13. I still need to find the perimeter, and remember the perimeter is the height plus the base plus the height plus the base, and my goal is that it's equal to 58. Now if I draw a rectangle, the height is what I'm guessing. So let's say my height, let's use an H for height, and then for the base I know it's going to be the height plus 13. So to get perimeter, I'm adding all the outside. So I'm adding the height plus 13 plus the height plus 13 again, plus the height. So if I go through and label, the top here would be the height plus 13, the left would be the height. So if I wanted an expression for the perimeter that only uses one variable, okay, that's going to be important to us later, one variable, and a variable is just any letter that stands for a number that we don't know what it is yet. So if I'm going to write an expression, instead of the b's here, I'm going to use h plus 3, because check it out, I have an h plus 3 here anyway, right? So how about if I do 1, 2, 3, 4, I end up with, let me change that, okay. I end up with 4 heights plus 13 and 13 is 26. There's my expression for perimeter, and I know that it has to equal 58. That's going to be important later, because you know what? That expression has to be equal to 58. When we start solving equations, we can now just solve that equation instead of going through all that guessing and checking process.